If you've just installed our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto conversion kit into your Toyota Tacoma and you have music playing on Apple CarPlay, but it's not coming out of your car speakers, I'll explain to you what's wrong. Our units play via the auxiliary channel on the vehicle. We will long hold the speech button to switch back to the factory interface so you can see this more clearly. By pushing the mode button, you can see that I am switching between the various audio modes on the Tacoma, and this applies for all Toyotas and Lexus. Our system plays via the aux channel. That's the one where the aux cord comes up. So if your underlying system is on, say, FM or AM radio, you might have CarPlay showing, but no audio will come out. You can either push that mode button until you hear audio, or you can simply hold that speech button, push the mode button until you see the aux cord, and then come back to the news side of the unit.